Welcome back to Uncle Sasquatch Outdoors. Thank you for watching. Every once in a while, Kibler Long Rifles has blemish stock rifles on their website. They may have a little bark inclusion, wormhole, and some staining, but they give you a real good discount. And I might also add that I'm not being paid or sponsored in any way by Kibler. It's just something I got a lot of respect for their product, and especially since companies like Lyman are no longer offering muzzle loaders, and you figure their Great Plains rifle that was made by Pedersoli, when they stopped offering them, cost $1,000, $1,100. You can spend about $150 more and get a Kibler kit and actually come out with something in the long run that's better looking than a complete rifle. And it's not that hard to put together. This particular gun, the blank was just a little bit too thin, and the side plate did not clean up very well, so they offered this extra fancy maple stock for 50 bucks more than a standard maple stock, which is pretty good. This is a Colonial Kit, by the way, and this thing, this flared short breech or tang, gave me a whole lot more problems than the long tang on the Southern Mountain Rifle, but I managed to get it in. And also, if you'll remember back to the Mountain Rifle video, I had issue with the lock bolt wanting to go through. Had the same issue with this. I had to do quite a bit of work to get it to go through right, and I understand that it's not knocking Kibler in any way. A, it could be something I'm doing. I don't think so. But B, you got to understand you're trying to machine something out, you know, wood and then metal, and then trying to fit them together where they're 100% perfect. That's almost impossible. Kibler's got it down to almost a science. I don't know how detailed I'm going to be on the build on this thing. I'd probably, like the other, I'll just give you updates, because Kibler offers a whole lot better tutorial video than I do, and you know, they got the facilities and everything a whole lot more than I do. But anyway, I'll keep you updated on this, and I wish you could really see the grain in this piece of wood. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how well it's going to show up on the camera. Anyway, this is a 50 caliber rifle. I studied on a 54, but I got thinking I wanted to try to keep my powder as standard as possible. I already have 3 guns that's over 50 caliber, which requires 2F powder, and I want to kind of try to keep a balance between the two, so I got a 50 caliber on this one. Looking forward to working on it and getting it completed, and I certainly appreciate you watching. God bless you all. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.